Everyone's creating videos these days, but not everyone has the time or skills to make them look professional. So, what if you could take your raw footage and turn it into something that stands out, without the headaches of complicated editing? Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your content, there's a simple way to make your videos shine. Stick around, and I'll show you how effortless it can be to take your video editing to the next level. You're probably wondering, what's this magic tool I'm talking about? Well, let me introduce you to Filmora, a video editing platform that's as powerful as it is user-friendly. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your videos up a notch, Filmora gives you all the tools you need to create professional-looking content with zero hassle. With drag-and-drop simplicity, stunning effects, and tons of creative options, it's the perfect solution for creators who want great results. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description below and see for yourself how easy editing can be. Filmora has always been known for its simplicity and power, but with the release of Filmora 14, it's taking video editing to a whole new level. This latest update isn't just about adding features, it's about transforming the way you edit. At the heart of this update are AI-powered tools that do the heavy lifting for you. For instance, the AI Video Enhancer instantly improves the quality of your footage, making colors pop and details crystal clear. Need professional visuals? The AI Color Palette ensures stunning cinematic color grading, even if your footage was shot on the fly. But that's not all. If privacy is a concern, AI Face Mosaic automatically blurs faces for you, saving time while keeping sensitive details protected. These smart, intuitive tools are designed to make your editing not only easier, but also smarter. And for those who love exploring new creative possibilities, Planar Tracker and Keyframe Path Curve offer precise control over effects and animations, giving you endless ways to bring your vision to life. Filmora 14 isn't just a software, it's your creative partner, helping you produce content that stands out. Let's be honest, time is the one thing we never have enough of. That's why Filmora 14 introduces features that are all about speed and efficiency. The Smart Scene Cut tool, for example, analyzes your footage and automatically highlights key moments, so you can skip the repetitive tasks and focus on the fun parts of editing. And if you're a content creator juggling multiple platforms, Smart Short Clips lets you turn a single long video into perfectly timed, platform-ready clips with just a few clicks. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, these time-saving tools don't just make your workflow faster, they also free up your creative energy. Because let's face it, the less time you spend on technicalities, the more time you can spend creating something amazing. Filmora isn't just about the tools, it's about the experience. With Filmora 14, the platform continues to cater to everyone, from beginners to seasoned editors. The drag-and-drop simplicity is perfect for those just starting out, while advanced features like multi-camera editing provide the depth professionals need to create polished multi-angle projects. Filmora 14 is available across multiple platforms, ensuring you can edit seamlessly whether you're on a PC, Mac, or mobile device. Plus, with advanced compression capabilities, sharing your work is faster and more efficient, even if you're working with high-resolution footage. Filmora 14 isn't just about the present, it's about the future of video editing. With features like AI Translation Lip Sync, which translates your video and syncs lip movements automatically, Filmora hints at a future where creativity knows no boundaries. While this update already feels like a major leap forward, it's clear that Filmora is committed to staying at the forefront of innovation. As video creation continues to evolve, Filmora will keep giving creators the tools they need to stay ahead of the curve. It's Cyber Week, and Filmora is offering up to 30% off on all plans for a limited time. This is your chance to get professional video editing tools at unbeatable prices. Right now, you can grab Filmora Perpetual for just $59.99, down 25% from the original price of $79.99. This gives you lifetime access to all the essential features, plus a 7-day free trial to see if it's the right fit for you. For those looking for even more features, the Filmora for multi-platform plan offers everything you need to edit across all your devices for just $47.99 per year, 20% off the regular price. You'll also get AI-powered tools, advanced editing features, and the option to add creative assets for a complete editing experience. And if you're looking to unlock everything Filmora has to offer, the Filmora Video Editor plus Creative Assets plan is just $9.33 per month, billed annually. This plan includes everything from stock footage to AI smart features, making it the perfect choice for advanced creators. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get started with Filmora and take advantage of these amazing deals today. That's it for today. With Filmora, editing your videos has never been easier or more fun. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. And don't forget, click the link in the description to start creating with Filmora today. Happy editing!